Welcome back to the VST channel, guys. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max, here the Redmi Turbo 3. Now, in this video, guys, I am going to be testing the screen brightness under direct sunlight. Not only screen brightness, but also what is oops. Oh my god, I love these videos. It's really very dangerous. Back to the video. But also, what is going to happen when we use the max brightness for a prolonged time, i.e. which of these phones is gonna dim the screen. Right now I'm running the May update already. I've received some indication from some people that after watching just a few minutes of HDR 4K 60 FPS YouTube video, the S24 Ultra dims the screen. Okay, so this is something that I would like to test, and of course I want to compare it with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, all the top-notch phones, and of course the killer of the flagship killers, the Redmi Turbo 3. But before we start, I want to show you something, guys. For this video, I have enabled the video brightness to be set to bright for the S23 Ultra, and I did the same also for the S24 Ultra. This should also pump a bit more of the brightness. And now I'm going to play a YouTube video, 4K 60 FPS, and also what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put a counter, and it's just so fascinating to see which of these phones will keep the brightness at a higher level for a longer time. Something like, if you want to say, sustained brightness. Okay. Alright, guys, the same video now running almost everywhere, and I'm even not sure what you can see from this video. What I can see and I can confirm is that the S23 Ultra, here the S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are still in the game, right? And the game just starts. Here you can see the countdown. The Redmi Turbo 3 is barely viewable under direct sunlight, and this happens really when you just match the Turbo 3 against the iPhone 15 Pro Max, the S24 Ultra and the S23 Ultra from last year. But last year's Samsung S flagship phone is still a killer phone. Right, let's now just see what is going to happen after a few minutes, and I'm going to report which of these phones will start dimming first. Now the Turbo 3 is just here for a reference, so that you're able to see what the other phones are capable of, like how much peak brightness they are able to pull in. It's really crazy. And by the way, I'm really happy from the result of both S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra, but also from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Really some very strong HDR saturated colors, guys. Direct sunlight, right, shining on those phones, but still all absolutely perfectly viewable. Right, let's just keep going a few more minutes and see who is going to fail first in this mega brightness real test. It's time to do the first temp check, guys. 39.8, almost 40 for the S23 Ultra. Yeah, 40.5. 41.7, very similar for the S24 Ultra. 38.3 for the iPhone. And yeah, 44 like crazy for the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3. Right, but by the way, none of these phones started to dim the screen yet. And I'm sweating here, I can tell it's really hot. And the phones are directly under the sunlight. The first test was successful. Now it's time to start the second video and see which of those phones is gonna dim the screen first. Alright, and it's time for a temp check. 40 for the S23 Ultra. Alright. 39.9, almost 40 also for the iPhone, and 43.7 for the Xiaomi Turbo 3. So definitely the Xiaomi runs hotter, but yeah, all the other phones are not only running cooler, they also are not dimming yet on the brightness. And I can show you guys, I'm really sweating outside here. This comes here from my forehead. It's just very hot. Alright, good results. Let's keep going. I have a feeling already that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is not so bright compared to the S24 Ultra. Same goes for the S23 Ultra, guys. So I'm not sure if this is this video brightness extra pump, or probably the iPhone already starting to dim a bit. But right now my eyes can only see that the S24 Ultra indeed shows the brighter image, for sure. 39.1 for the S23 Ultra, 44 the S24 Ultra, and yeah, 37.38 for the iPhone, 42.6 for the Redmi. By the way, you know the iPhone doesn't really hit here. The best thing is to measure it from the back. But anyway, guys, tell me what you see, because right now I believe that the S24 Ultra is taking the lead without losing any of that brightness. The iPhone 15 Pro Max for sure is dimming already. Take a look at this and let me know, are you seeing what I'm seeing? The brightest display for sure is the S24 Ultra, then we have the S23 Ultra, then we have the iPhone, and of course we have the Redmi Turbo 3, who is trying to kill the flagship, but is really far away from the real stuff. Alright, let's wait a bit more. Absolutely see how green and saturated here the images on the S24 Ultra. And I do believe that the iPhone 15 Pro Max had a strong start, but after several minutes of watching, I think it's done, and the screen already is dimmed. Yep, certainly not so bright as we see it here. I don't need to pull out my Luxmeter, I can just see it. This is the reality. See how much brighter this is. Alright, yeah, I can show you guys. I'm really sweating here. It's really hot outside, something like 25, 26, so yeah, imagine what is going to happen in the summer. And let's just do this one more time, guys. Alright guys, after several minutes, I think those are the end results. Now I am back in the settings so that you can just see what happens. Alright, this is here the Redmi Turbo 3. The iPhone 15 Pro Max looks okay in the settings, but when I'm playing the video, I do believe this is where the dimming occurs. Now, something interesting, guys, I'm gonna turn off the icon for shield here, right? And by the way, this is what I was referring to. See here, guys, the S24 Ultra screen is already dimming. This is crazy. This is really what people has reported. See, S24 Ultra settings, the S23 Ultra settings, and if I go back into the display, guys, and I kill the adaptive brightness, you're gonna see that I am indeed using the extra brightness. So see, if I turn off the extra brightness, right, you can see what the S23 Ultra is doing, but when I pump it up and I put the adaptive brightness, it really kills it. But no, there is something with the S24 Ultra and it dims the screen. Now what is interesting is, oh Jesus, no, it's really awful. Let me try to go back inside YouTube and I'm gonna play the first video one more time. What I want to see is if that screen dimming only happens when we're inside the settings and not in YouTube. So let's just see. Let's try to give the benefit of the doubt and let's put the very same video. Okay, same video here, same video here. All right, now we have the three big boys, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, then we have the S24 Ultra, and then we have the S23 Ultra. In the previous video, the S24 Ultra was winning because it was really producing the brighter picture, the iPhone already dimming. Now I do believe that the S24 Ultra is clearly not brighter than the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but the iPhone is also not brighter than the S23 Ultra. In fact, the S23 Ultra is the brightest phone at all, so no dimming of the brightness at all. This is just insane. Okay, yeah, and I want to measure some temp, like 39.6, like almost 40. Okay, for the S23 Ultra, 39.8, so like 40 also for the S24 Ultra, and yeah, 38 for the iPhone. So right now, guys, after a few more minutes of testing, I can clearly say that for me, the winner in this sustained brightness test is the S23 Ultra. Why? Because the picture still appears more bright, more vivid. One more time, see guys, here I'm not joking, this all sweat is very very hot. The S24 Ultra in middle started strong. At some point it was leading, and I do believe that the iPhone 15 Pro Max is just a tiny bit more brighter than the S24 Ultra. So for me, first place goes to the S23 Ultra. Second place after this prolonged sustained brightness test is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and sadly the S24 Ultra comes at a third place. This is how I see it, guys. Please let me know how you've seen it in the comments down below, and if you like videos like this, well, yeah, you're more welcome to subscribe. Thank you so much. Wir sind over, and bye.